Poor Merica and her babies were rescued by Dawgs Fight Back. About 3 months ago, meet Mama Merica. Merica was rescued off of a chain, in the pouring rain. She had very mean owners. She was very pregnant and the networker who got her was able to convince the owner to surrender. A few days later, Merica made beautiful sweet babies. These kids are ready for forever homes and have all been adopted.
Brave baby back there. I find they can't talk too much. They get really reactive.
They are fat and happy. We are thankful for great fosters. Merica is an absolutely gorgeous girl. She is stunning, tall and around 70 pounds. She is dog-friendly, big and small, but can be selective dominant. She loves to run and play. After living her life outside, she prefers to not be outside alone. Please support Dawgs Fight Back.